For 30 years, a powerful signal hijacked radios worldwide. We know who broadcast it, but not what it said. This was its calling card, a haunting 5-tone melody from an English folk song broadcast for decades. Broadcasting at 10 megawatts, stronger than most radio stations, from a secret base in Cyprus, it could reach Moscow, and did. Declassified documents confirm it. This was MI6, Britain's foreign intelligence, communicating with spies behind the Iron Curtain. We heard the numbers, we know the melodies, but the actual messages, agent identities, meeting points, secrets stolen, remain locked in cipher. Then, in 2008, it went silent forever. Mission complete or compromised? The station is dead. The mystery isn't. What was the final message to the spies in the cold?